So this is quick guide for Volkswagen Passat B7 front bumper removal. First of all, there's the 4 screws right here. You have to remove it, and then you can just take your grills out. So remove the screws. So all screws removed. It's just Torx 25. When you remove it, you can take your grill like this. So front grills removed. Next step, turn the steering wheel to the one side and remove the screws. Firstly, maybe we work on this side. This screw 1, 2, 3. It's also 25. So unscrew these 3. After the screws unscrewed, you have to unscrew the screw right here. It's also 25 Torx. After unscrewing the screw, this bumper corner comes freely. So next step, turn the steering to the opposite side and unscrew this 3 and then this one. Let's go. When you've done it, it should look like this. This part of the bumper is free. Next step, you need to go under the car. There is a screw here, 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 all the way front and other side. In other side there is exactly the same. So you need to unscrew all the screws. So these screws at the corners, 2 right here is bigger. I'm using Torx 30. 2 on the right side and 2 on the left side is bigger, and else it's 25 at the middle, 1, 2, 3. So next step, we try. So after all screws removed under the bumper, you can try to take this bumper out of these plastic holes. It should came so bumper removed. Now need to unplug washer hose. We can remove down here near the washer motor, or just remove all pipe from bumper. And the connector, where is connector? Right here. For all electronics, parkings and lamps. So need to unplug.